Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to research profitable products on Amazon using Helium10. If you are thinking about selling on Amazon and want to find product that can really make money, then this video will guide you step by step in a simple way. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to get this special offer. So you can try it yourself and start your product research easily. So let's start. Finding a profitable product on Amazon is not just about picking something that looks good. You need to check if people actually buy it and how much the competition there is, and if you can make a good profit by this or not. Helium 10 is a tool that helps you to do all of this in one place. The first thing you do is use the Helium 10 black box tool. This tool lets you search for the product using different filters like price, sales volume, and number of reviews. For example, if you want to sell product under $20, you can set that filter and Helium 10 will show you all the products in that range. You can also filter by monthly sales to see which products are selling well. This helps you to save time instead of checking the hundreds of products manually. Next, you want to look at the competition. Helium 10 shows you how many sellers are offering the same product and how strong their listings are. If a product has too many sellers and strong listing, it might be hard to complete. But if there is a decent demand and fewer competitors, it could be a good opportunity for you. Another very useful feature is X-Ray, the Helium 10 Chrome extension. So you can go to Amazon page and you can see how many units are selling, what the estimated revenue is, and even you can check the price history. This gives you the real data to make the decisions instead of guessing. Finally, don't forget to check the profit margin. You need to know how much it will cost to buy the product, ship it, and pay Amazon fees. Helium 10 also help you to calculate all of this so you can see if the product is really profitable or not. By combining all of these tools, you can find the product that are more likely to succeed and you can avoid the wasting money on product that wouldn't sell. So using Helium 10 for product research make the process faster, smoother, and more accurate. Even beginner can use it to find the profitable product without guessing or taking big risk. So that was all for today's video about the Helium 10 and the Amazon selling. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and check the description for the useful link. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.